The new sensor, known as Argus. With 1.8 billion pixels, it's the world's highest
airborne object a chance to comply with instructions. We wait till the last possible minute, but we're not going to have a
Experts say they hope all stakeholders can use scientific data to make informed decisions for the future of central Kalimantan.
Line watch, we refer to as line watch. It's not boredom. You're actually there to do a job. Now,
reads the signal and colors the map. Red for healthy forest with high levels of locked carbon.
Tortuga, Whidbey Island, Swift, and countless DoD assets in one of the largest relief and
Similar to the unit in the Young's Food Mart parking lot.
Night Song is a light sculpture atop the Rolling Hills radio tower that's installed at the...
The 6-meter antenna, also called the reflector, is made of strong, thin, gold-plated metal.
The C-130 Hercules is one of the most remarkable aircraft in the world.
Тип сердечной боли 2012.
Des caravanes du désert, façon 21e siècle, avec station-service ambulante.